This is the new CRL Hydroslide. It's our new frameless sliding door system. Now it's highlighted in our SD08 shower door catalog along with our 23 SDH catalogs. So this system is easy to install. It's based on our roller system. These rollers go up into the track and they simply press onto the glass and they make this system slide nice and easy. Now, first of all, this gives you that European design with more glass and less metal, and it's a sliding door system that you can use in a shower or a tub enclosure. You can see how easy that works, and C.R. Laurence is going to sell this in two separate kits. We have our 180-degree wall-to-wall kit, where this will mount wall-to-wall on a shower enclosure or a tub enclosure, and then you can also purchase our 90-degree accessory kit so that you can put a glass return in. You have that all-glass look, and this panel will act as your structural panel holding up one end of your shower. Now these doors can be any size you want as long as they don't exceed 88 pounds, and you can use 5/16 or 3/8 inch glass in this enclosure. Now what's really nice about this is you can go from the floor to almost the ceiling in any shower enclosure, making any size door that you wish. And this fixed panel is attached to the header at the top with these two standoffs, which is a simple way to install it, and it's also very attractive once it's installed. Now the Hydroslide sliding shower door kit includes these two top rollers, your header, either 60-inch or 84-inch, and your standoffs to attach your fixed panel to the header. It also comes with a threshold, as well as your guide bracket, and a polycarbonate to go against the wall or tile or other piece of glass that you might be closing the door against. It does not include the handle. It also does include a threshold, though, which you can place either under the glass or offset it just in front of the glass to keep a lot of the water from splashing or coming out of the shower. It's a good idea in a flush design like this to always have some type of threshold that's going to act as a dam to keep any water going back down the drain inside the shower. Now the system also comes with movable stops that are up inside the header that you can get access to easily from underneath. So you can adjust this so you won't slam into the wall. The stop will hit the top roller, as well as if you don't want a handle to hit the piece of glass at this end, if you have something that's sticking out, you can adjust a stop to stop the roller at the top here. So the stops are in the top, so you're not going to slam it into the wall, or it's going to stop it. Those are rubber stoppers that go against our rollers, so it makes it stop nice and easy and gives a little bit of cushion. So you're simply going to get the header, the rollers, the polycarbonate channel, the threshold, the roller guide, along with your header and your standoffs. If you order the 90-degree accessory kit, it also comes with the standoff and wall bracket to attach that side panel to the wall. You have to order separately any U-channel or clamps you might want to hold the bottom of the fixed panels with, and you also need to order separately the handle. Now you can put a small handle on like this, or you can put one of our towel bars facing the inside of the system, and that'll work just as effectively. Okay, our glass to sliding track connector is made up of three pieces. There's a connector that goes onto the sliding track. Then you add your piece of glass, and then you simply screw on your standoff cap, and that holds the glass in place. On the inside of the track, there's a grommet that slides into a slot on the inside of the track that you screw that into. And to make it very easy to line that up, we include one of these jigs in every kit that you'll simply determine where you want that hole to go, put that in place. We also give you a drill bit that's the exact right size to drill out that hole, and then to hold this small grommet in place, because it's hard to get your fingers up inside this track, you can simply turn around our jig. That will fit up in the track and allow you to slide that grommet up and down until it gets into the right location so that you can screw in your standoff cap. So it's very easy to install. You simply put on your header, determine your locations for your holes, mark them, put your jig in place, put the holes in place, and then you should have already put these grommets in the track with the rollers before you mounted these to the wall or to the fixed piece of glass. And then with our tool, you can easily slide these grommets up and down until they're located properly, and then screw in your top caps. Our sliding door hangers are easy to install. These go up into the channel before you attach it to the wall. We have 4 rollers that this glides on up in the track. It's also adjustable by twisting the body of the hanger in either direction to give you some up and down movement when you're hanging the glass. And this simply unscrews into 2 parts. You have to put a hole in the glass, attach the glass with your set screw in the back, and then it comes with a little cap that snaps over that screw and finishes off very nicely. So again, your top roller is easy to install. It just slides into the channel before you add the glass. And if you need to make an adjustment afterwards, you can simply screw this up and down. It gives you plenty of adjustment, as well as make sure that you're centered in the hole, and that hole size is going to give you a little bit of adjustment also. Then this simply bolts together, and it's the pressure on the glass and the hole in the glass that's going to hold that roller in place and make the system work. Also, the threshold on the bottom will keep a lot of water from splashing out, although this is not really a watertight system. Next to it, we have a fixed panel of glass. You can attach this with U-channel on the bottom, or you can embed it in tile. And again, it attaches to the header with these 2 standoffs that go into the channel. Then we also have the return accessory kit. So to make a return kit like this, you simply order the CRL 180 degree kit, either in the 60 inch or 84 inch. Trim it to whatever size you want this panel to be located at. And then the 90 degree accessory kit will come with all the hardware that you need to add this end panel or return panel. Again, that gets attached by a standoff and a bracket that attaches it to the wall. And you can use clamps or U-channel on the bottom to secure this fixed channel. So the Hydroslide gives you an all-new look. It can be used on tub enclosures, but it's especially made for shower enclosures where you might not want to have an opening door, or you want to have a nice, sleek, new look and appearance for that enclosure. It's easy to install. It comes in 2 different sizes, 60-inch and 84-inch headers that can easily be trimmed and cut to any size that you want in the field. We have our special jig to make it easy for you to align and set up your hole placements anywhere that you like. And you can use 5/16 inch glass or 3/8 inch glass in any of these enclosures. And the only restriction on the door size is the weight, which is 88 pounds, and that's going to enable you to make doors just about any size that you want that can go from the floor almost all the way to the ceiling, because you can mount this top channel as close to the ceiling as you want to. Now, when you go online, you can also get full instructions on how to install the Hydroslide. Also, instructions will come with every kit that we sell. This comes in 4 different finishes. We have polished chrome, polished brass, brushed nickel, as well as our oil rub bronze. Those are the standard sizes and shapes. If you're looking for anything custom or anything a little bit different, just call the CRL Technical Services Department, and they'll give you all the information on how to order the Hydroslide, how to measure it, and do installations. Now, if you have any questions, you can call our shower door technical department at 1-800-421-6144 and ask for extension 7740. This is the quickest way to get to technical experts that can answer all your questions. You can also go to CRL online at crlawrence.com, look up anything you need to know about the Hydroslide, also download any technical documents or anything that you may need to help you do a good installation.